Okie dokie. What is inside? What is inside? What's in the box? It's not a pregnant woman's head. It's laser diode. Now I did use my booster on it just as an experiment. Booster is fine because I used a. I should put this. You're meant to use up to a 6-volt battery on the booster, so the booster is absolutely fine. Because I used a 5-volt battery, this one, a rechargeable 5-volt, and I hooked it up to the laser diode, which is only meant to take 3.6. I think the maximum is 5 volts input. It's the 3.6 to 5 or 6 volt input. So putting it through the booster, that gave it 100,000 to 1 million volts. It's like 100,000 K. So it had a massive overload. It did work. It didn't blow a hole in anything, but it did put a hole in my concrete wall. Only for a fraction of a millisecond. Bap. But it was enough to put a hole in concrete. End result, it looks fine, but it's basically burnt out. So take the opportunity to actually show you what is inside your laser diode. So the label comes off, which I took off earlier, just have a quick look. And focus. Oh, I got to redo the camera. Too close. Let's have a look. There. Yeah. Right, this is without the label on. So first of all, you unscrew your top piece. Yeah, this piece here. This is it's spring loaded, so go careful taking it off. This is basically your laser protection. It gives you a certain amount of radiation protection, but it also protects your skin. Spring comes in behind that. So you see your actual laser is in here. Turn that light on as well. There you go. So your actual laser wobbling is inside there. So this is in 2 pieces. It is basically just a casing. So you unscrew that. That is literally just the metal casing. Oh, if you want to make things last longer, you can spray, I'm not going to name the foam because I'll get in trouble. There's a certain type of foam, you can do a look for it, so when you put it together, spray the foam in there and it will keep it cool, rather than just using a big housing. So that is your actual laser diode. It is basically a little circuit. That's all it is. So when it overloads, it blows a fuse. It's not really a fuse, it's more of a diode down in here. So power comes in, it will overload this little bit. If you want, I can't be asked, these things are less than £1. You can buy this one, it's only a low voltage one. You can buy these for less than £1. But if you want, you could take a lighter or your heat gun, melt off the plastic covering. The covering is just there to prevent arcing and to keep it waterproof, water resistant. And you could solder that to fix it. I can't be asked. It's literally just a little diode that burnt out. But a diode is like a small fuse that's just burnt out. So that is basically what it is. That is what is inside your laser diode. There's not a lot to it. A lot of it is housing to protect it. So you could just fix it if you wanted. If I wanted, I can't be asked. If I was properly off-grid with no access to resources, yes, I would fix it. But I'm not off-grid at the moment. So that is what's inside your laser diode. Oh, if you want to have a little fun, you could take this little circuit board off and wire this straight into a battery. But don't do that because it's very dangerous and you could kill yourself. So do not take this off. Do not attach little wires using your, that's a close plug, using your little dragon clips. Don't do that to the 3 wires and put them into the mains because it will have a lot of fun. You could kill yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that. No. Bad juju. Don't do that.